Today, we're breaking down a pretty radical blueprint for launching a brand in India.
First things first, that old playbook for selling to the masses in India, it's dead.
So what's the new way? How do you actually build a 10 crore brand today?
And here's the kicker. We're talking about doing it in just 30 days.
Okay, first step, you have to completely rethink who you're actually selling to.
They call this group India One, and honestly, it's the only market that matters.
Think about it. This tiny slice of the population controls almost all the spending.
All right, so once you've found your audience, you need to find your opening.
And that opening? It's men's hairstyling, a huge, totally untapped market. So why is it untapped? Well, get this. Young guys are taking 7, 8 selfies every single day.
And for every selfie, they want a new look. That means they need options.
Okay, so let's get into the actual 30-day playbook. It's built on 4 pillars.
And you'll see every one of these steps flips old-school business logic on its head. Instead of selling luxury, the goal here is to build a cheap, daily habit.
At this price, we're talking just 10 rupees per hairstyle, a total no-brainer.
Forget needing a giant lab. Today, AI can spit out your product formula instantly.
So the brand isn't about one perfect look. It's about giving guys many looks.
And don't even think about launching your own website. This is built for quick commerce.
When you put it all together, launching in 30 days suddenly seems really possible, right? But this whole model is actually pointing to a much bigger future trend.
We're talking about mass hyper-personalization, all driven by AI. It's a huge shift.
Just imagine an AI stylist that knows your schedule, picks your look, and just delivers it.
The point is, with AI, your imagination is the only limit. The old models are just gone.
So the old rules are broken. The only question left is, are you ready to build?